Can you get a free roof from your insurance company? I'm Justin.
And I am Aaron.
And welcome to Insurance Hacks, where we use our considerable number of years of insurance knowledge to help you hack your way through the jungle that is modern insurance purchasing. So, can you get a free roof from your insurance?
I suppose anybody can do anything, couldn't they?
I guess they could, but nothing's free.
Absolutely. That's what my dad taught me.
That's right. When people say that, what are they doing? Okay, so first off, what's happening is that roofer is paying for their deductible, is how a free roof works, okay? Aaron's going to talk a little bit about what it means to get a roof from your insurance company, but really that's what free roof means. And in my experience, because I'll admit that I haven't always been in insurance, and I once had a claim where what I had to do to get my free roof was sacrifice the flashing on the side of my roof. It stayed hail damaged. The roofer did not replace it. The caps on my attic fans not replaced. I don't get up there, so I didn't care, but that was the sacrifice I had to make. Another way, even if you get your flashing and your caps or your chimney or whatever it is that goes up there, is that you get an inferior grade of shingles. There's nothing free. A lot of people really think that a hail damage claim on their roof, especially here in North Texas, I know it's more common in Colorado, and I guess as we head towards Waterworld, we're going to see more hail. But a lot of people think a hailstorm is a free roof, and you'll see the signs pop up all over the neighborhood. But how does that affect your rates? Obviously, we know they're not free, so what happens?
Well, what happens is that anytime insurance companies have to pay out a lot of money, if they pay out a lot more than they were expecting to pay, over 100% of what they brought in, they're going to raise rates. Here in North Texas, we've had so much hail over the past 10, 15 years, and I guess over a lifetime really, that insurance companies are making big moves to try and insulate themselves from that. Because a new roof claim has gone from a $10,000 claim and it's ballooned into a $40,000 claim.
I want to point out that it's not just because of more frequent hail, it's because we're growing. As your metropolitan area grows, you're going to have places that have roofs that didn't have roofs before. And insurance companies have to pay out on those things. I mean, we know, we've been to Colorado many times. I love Colorado, and we see the growth happening there. And they're experiencing some of the same pain points with everybody getting new roofs on fairly new houses. So we've even seen, I've had the video, and if I can find it, I'll put a clip of it in here, where a guy explains that it was supposed to be a $400 repair, but it was lower than his deductible. And so he just had the roofer help him get a whole new roof.
What does it take to get a new roof from an insurance company?
It takes the roofer explaining that you need one. I don't know the exacts. I'm no claims adjuster.
Well, the roundabout explanation is that they're going to tape off about a 10-foot square on your roof. And they want to see that there are 10 or more hits from hail on that roof. And a hit from hail, what it does, it displaces the granules on the tar paper, on the shingle, and it makes it more susceptible to a leak. But does a hail damaged roof leak?
Not always, I wouldn't think. I don't know, I'm not a roofer. You keep asking me these questions.
It's not necessarily going to. You don't have to be a roofer to understand what we understand as insurance advisors, maybe not this guy so much. A roof might have cosmetic damage, but not structural damage.
Right.
So while a roofer could get you a new roof, you may not have a reason to have a new roof because you have 10 hits in a 10 square foot area. Your roof may hold up because of a storm.
But I want to get mine.
Absolutely. Get yours if you want to get yours. As an insurance advisor, rates going up aren't as much of a problem for us as they are for you, the homeowner, who's having to incur the expense of rising rates on those policies. We're happy to do our job and look for better options and find the best rates, but the rates are going to be what they're going to be, and the more roofing claims and all sorts of claims continue to grow, the more expensive those policies will be.
I've heard about Florida, and this is 2022 if you're watching this far in the future, but I've heard about Florida is having a hard time keeping insurance companies there because they pay out too much. It's a bad risk. You don't want to get there because you got a new roof when you didn't really need one, and it's coming. I'm a homeowner here in North Texas, and I can tell you I feel the pinch.
When an insurance company insures in an area where they have to replace a lot of roofs, a place that's going to be susceptible to hurricanes or hail damage, roofers are going to take advantage.
You bet.
It's what roofers want to do. They want to put new roofs on houses, and more power to them. That is their business, and that's what they should do. I heard roofers talk about this insurance company is better than that insurance company. They're not giving you an unbiased take on that. It's just who is opening up the checkbook and just paying for it. As someone who's paying premiums to that company, you want them paying to the letter of the policy. Nothing less, but really nothing more, because when they pay out more, they're going to charge more. So get ready to shop around or be loyal to raising prices.
Nothing's free. So if a roofer tells you can get a free roof, I'd raise my eyebrow, because it's costing somebody something, and ultimately it will come back to you. So can you get a free roof? Not really. Cost to everybody, including your neighbors, your friends, your parents. Free is not free when it comes to insurance. There is no lottery win for insurance. That's my thoughts on free roof. You have anything to add?
No. Thanks for watching this video. We really hope you learned something. If you have any questions, please make sure to leave them in the comments section below. We'll definitely respond to them, may even make a special video just for you. As always, please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and come back and see us next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.
The Phoenix Insurance for you.